Seeing as Andy got rid of Caddy, I've had to take it into my own hands, and I got a plan with Callum. So Callum found us a transporter and I've bought it, and Andy's just bringing it round now. I don't know if he's doing it on purpose or what, but he's taking it, he's only coming around from that corner. Here she is, look.
So inside is pretty tidy, to be fair, isn't it?
Yeah.
Standard, Neil said Cadivan, we'll not talk about that. Standard transporter affair. Few broken vents and stuff. But as they go, cuppy holders. Not bad done.
Question is, what's mileage on it?
A few.
Yeah, it's only been round world once.
Yeah,
So that's alright.
It's 1.9, better engine in it.
Yeah. Get a cheeky map on it.
Cheeky map, all this will be done.
What do you think to it?
It's good. It's an honest van, isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah, it's...
I don't want to say it's been a builder's van, but
Yeah, there's
it's
not...
not rough, is it?
For a 2008.
Not horrendous. It's been used, isn't it? So it is a good base.
So that'll be for sale if anyone wants it.
Beauty of these is you don't want them, can you?
So, if we flick back to another clip that I recorded before you know,
Yeah.
got a present in there.
Alright.
Do you want to have a look?
Yeah.
So I've just been and secured an absolute bargain for a set of wheels. I've paid $325 for this set of 20-inch wheels, and they come with brand new tyres. Now they've done about 1,000 miles. If you can just see them there. Absolute bargain.
Right.
Why? What was he going to say? Sold us see?
We've just got, sorry everyone, we've just got Caleb chelping in the background. Getting all excited.
Saying he's putting sold us scene on his invoice.
So you're doing editing it now? Can't edit after the fact.
Right, so you've seen the van now, so we want your opinions and what do you think we should do to it. Obviously we're lowering it with some nice wheels on it, but what do you think we should do?
Yeah, that's it really.
Yeah.
See what everybody else's input on what they'd like to see. Is there anything people want to do to theirs that they'd like to see us attempt first? And
Yeah, that's it, innit?
fail?
And I know it's another VW. We're not just doing VWs, but I know it's just fell that way. So we're not just a VW channel, honest.
Yeah. So we've got, for a start, 20-inch.
Velar wheels there.
Yeah. Velar. Nearly new tyres on them. Not been done a lot
To
of
be
them.
fair, they're an absolute bargain.
Good check.
And to make them look a lot better, we've got a full set of 50mm lowering springs. So hopefully,
Basically transporter 101, innit?
yeah, springs and wheels.
Springs and wheels.
Yeah. Andy wanted to do it back first, but I said no, let's do it front. It's easier to do it back.
So to put it in context, what we're doing is we're fitting the springs, which is why we're taking the wiper deck off.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And wheels.
That makes more sense.
And wheels.
We're doing spring forward up wheels, aren't we?
I'm not gonna lie, we've just put the wheels next to it. It looks very, very tight to get the wheels in,
Yeah.
so we're not 100% certain they're gonna fit. We'll make them fit. Yeah, we'll make them fit. Yeah.
Right. So transporters, top at shockers is under here. So you need wiper arms off and this trim panel, and potentially we have these two panels under here, but they're bolted on downwards with two T30s. So we're going to get them off now. Wheels off. There's two bolts at the bottom holding it strutting. This is obviously the right tool for doing this. So so I don't mark it all up.
So wiper deck's all off. So you need to take these little panels off so we can get into safe taking wiping out. You don't need to, will you? You can get in on your side.
Yeah, I think it might be an Oak William van. Not advertising for them. Fine. Leaves, spiders, leaves.
I tell you what we haven't done the usual rummage through and see what we can find. Although I think Callum might have done it already.
Yeah, Callum's already been there.
Callum's had it, hasn't he? Did you find out what?
Yeah, I did actually.
What did you find?
A pump.
A pump?
Yeah, an electric pump.
No way.
Yeah, and a couple of active straps.
No way.
Yeah, yeah.
Are they technically ours?
No, because it was my possession when I found them.
We
So.
already agreed to sale.
You didn't, it was before we even seen it.
Well, it weren't, because
We agreed sale,
He did-
definitely
no,
before
he
you
did.
did.
No, he
did
didn't.
like, yeah.
Nah.
I'm not sure on that. Yeah, so in there, one nut other side, and then wheels off.
Send it up.
Well,
Now got any tools ready, no?
yeah. Oh, I thought you might have gone. I was stood.
Do we set a dish, Callum?
Well, as good as you then. Sort of them. Buy some, mate. You said oil on it before, wasn't it? Because they're wobble bolts.
How weird is that?
That is a very strange trout end.
It's bizarre, isn't it?
Yeah.
So under here, so top nut's undone. So there's just a drop link to undo, and then two bolts there. I think they look like 19s maybe. And then the hub should push down, hopefully far enough to release the shocker.
I don't think it's going to do. I think if you look at the shaft, it's quite low already. That is touching already. So, that is as low as it will go. So we're going to have to get the fork in and lift it up.
Fucking hell. Then.
So what we're going to do is we're going to leave it all as built up as one because them two nightmare bolts. Undo drop link, ABS sensor, and we'll drop it all off as...
It won't go down anyway.
Yeah.
It's already touching sub-frame drive shaft, so. And to be fair, if we can find some boots, I want a couple of boots, so we'll have to drive shaft and things hanging.
Yeah, we'll do it. Get that all done.
Yeah.
That's far as you can go up on it. That's it.
Drop down at the top, so.
Yeah.
Right, so we'll get the other side off.
Well, that's that nearly out now, Andy. Just top.
Just top.
When you're ready.
Ready?
So, Josh and Caleb, if we could take the first leg out. You alright, Caleb?
Yeah, fine down there. I'll take his time on that.
Right, go. Off.
Ooh, Josh, that's not out.
Josh, will tap it out.
Double tapping shaft.
It needs tapping out. You're going to tap it out while I put leg off?
Yeah. Woo!
There we go.
Oh, she needs a top, doesn't she?
No? This side will, eh? Or that side will?
Right.
I mean, change them. If you've got them both,
This
I'll
side's
change
strut
them.
out. Just other side to do, and we'll unbox the springs in a minute and show you what we're putting on.
That upside down.
Side to that side.
They've got to be yellow, haven't they?
Have yellow or red.
What are you saying?
Yellow.
I'm saying red.
Yay!
Don't look very long.
No.
Compared to what's on there, if I'm honest.
Is that a backer?
I hope so.
That's never been a back strip.
So what we've got is some really yellow springs. So apparently these were 50mm. here, these should be the front ones. Ooh. Also, yellow. They come together like a puzzle.
You spinning, don't you?
Yeah. How long are you spinning for? It doesn't come out.
Keep spin.
Don't spin, you fuck that.
Who's that? God, you've got no faith.
What, you tell me?
Yeah. Way, well done.
There we go. 2 fronts. So there's, obviously we are going to fit them with new top mounts. One of them's noisy anyway, but to be fair, fitting new springs, all like that, matter of course. Top mounts go all the time. There we go. I reckon yellow one's the best ones, aren't they?
Fastest, aren't they? Make it
Fastest,
fastest, yeah. Definitely makes it fastest.
So obviously new spring, so old spring, so it's top mount off. We've got new top mounts, and then all the rest remains.
To be honest, when we took it out of packaging, we thought it looked really small compared
It looks
to
small over there, doesn't it? But
yeah, but when you actually put them aside, the same size for now.
less coils in it, though, isn't there?
Yeah.
A lot less coils. Shows you stuff.
So it comes in 3 pieces. You only get 2 of the pieces. The big rubber piece and the bearing that sits in. The piece in the middle you don't actually get new. There we go.
Holding it now. Chilly. Callum's got all chilly with. So Callum's just got stuck back in there. Just gonna hold it up.
For all, Josh?
No, it's not for all.
Luckily they're not too heavy, so.
There. No, not every all.
And just,
Not 4
just put
foot long.
top nut in. Once top nut's on, it should hold itself.
Yeah, it's in enough to gun it.
So that's all in.
We're gunning it up.
So literally reverse process now. And the same for the side. Right, so we've got a spin compressor. So what this does, so a big fitted bar, tighten it up and it compresses the spring. So when we take the top off, it don't explode and kill people. And, you know, top nut off, bearing off, well, top, bearing. Line this back off. Just need a big yellow spring. Old one off. So a new one at the side of the old one. There's quite a bit of difference. Also means we don't need a spring compressor, put it back. So we've got struts back in both sides. Callum just put it up side back together. So literally, like we said, reverse order. So we're going to put bottom arms in, drive shaft, drop link, chatlet end, caliper on, plug ABS into, drop link on, wheels on, and see what she looks like.
Are they a little bit heavier then, mate?
No, we're not bad weight at all, to be honest with you.
Oh, he's here, look, with big hammer. Don't damage on wheel. I need to sell them back to that previous owner.
Who's that?
Oh my god!
Damn! That's off.
Nearly pull that wheel through transit.
Yeah, put a nut on it. Babies, them, aren't they?
Right, so these wheels have come off. It's 6.1, Josh?
No, just a 6.
It's 6, so it'll come off a 6. Apparently, the hubs are different sizes. Yeah. I don't know how true that is, but anyway. So these spigot rings, called spigot rings. So what these do, so obviously the outer and the inner, and then that centralises it on the hub. So it stops vibration, stops the wheel being able to slop about, keeps it solid on hub. So that's front all done. So we're moving on to the back. Back's nice and easy. So if you just pop through.
Said it now,
One bolt on the shocker. So one bolt on the shocker. It's independent rear suspension this, so it should drop down. Leave it spring out, new spring in, lift it back up, bolt back in. Should be a peach.
Not good ding. Well, that ain't coming out there.
Do you want to put the arm down for you while you get it out?
Yeah, go on mate, yeah.
Ready? Yeah. Just stuck on top of it.
Stuck on both of us because this one's like one of them little joggers.
Put the back with it. It's gone to loop through it. Watch it. Got it?
Yeah. So that's one.
Look at the size of that.
One out. So we'll just show you in comparison. So I do feel like this fan might have updated springs on it because that's the one we took it out. You can see it's a lot more chunky than this. Now,
That bottom rubber.
yeah.
Do you know why it's going like this, don't you?
Because he said it, didn't he? Nice and easy.
Oh, yeah, aren't
What?
they? Yeah, aren't they? You don't see me struggling like that.
Why are you mad? Always mad, yeah.
It's like
You're always mad. Let's go down, let's go in there.
It didn't come that way off, but you put it out there, sure.
Yeah?
It didn't come that way off.
There's an indent, let's go where it sits, yeah.
That's it, look.
What you were fanning about, a bit of help off me.
because I sprayed it with
Have you
lubrication.
got bolt?
Well, arm man. Like,
I can push it up while you put it through. Other
push
side,
it up.
other way.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
You said put it in!
Hell, mate.
Yeah, but not
He
like
took
that.
his eyeball out.
Hey, that's just what I do, I just go in.
Go on.
You tell me to go in, I go in. Is it in? Oh, I got you then, man. I felt that. Ooh, that was a good one.
Go on.
Are you in? What are you funny about?
It's
Yeah.
you.
You just tell me to go forward. I'm literally going forward.
Tap it in. It's in. You just
You
want
can't tap it in, you have to screw it in.
screw it in. Why
Why are you mad? Oh,
Because you're ending my finger off.
We
did like-
need to get some of their shocks.
Right. Mate, we're not going to be doing much of them anyway.
Nuts on that.
and what?
On here, look, something in the bolt.
Always in his pocket.
Always.
That's fucking key.
Right, so that's the back springs both in now. Shockers are back on, so we're just going to put the rear wheels on and then we'll do the reveal, we'll drop it down and see what it looks like. So that's all springs fitted, wheels are all on, we're just going to drop it down and see what it looks like. So, if you want to see it, tune in next week and we'll show you what it looks like.